You see a transformation video on your feed and suddenly you are convinced that a tiny bottle of oil is the only thing standing between you and the best hair of your life. The algorithm knows exactly when we are feeling insecure about a thinning hairline or a lack of shine. That is how the veganic hair oil craze took over every single corner of the internet. On the surface, the science looks like a slam dunk. We are looking at a blend of rosemary, castor, argan, and coffee oils. These are not just random buzzwords cooked up by a marketing team. There is actually a heavy clinical trial from back in 2015 that compared rosemary oil to a common hair regrowth treatment. After 6 months of use, the results were essentially a tie. Rosemary oil held its own without causing nearly as much scalp irritation. That sounds like a dream for anyone tired of harsh chemicals. Castor oil adds its own weight to the mix by providing a massive boost to hair shine. It all looks perfect on a polished website, but then things start to get incredibly weird. If you look closer, you will find at least 3 different websites that all claim to be the official home of this brand. They are all running massive sales at the very same time. One site screams about a holiday sale while another is pushing a different discount. It is a chaotic mess that smells like a classic digital shell game. When a brand cannot even decide which website is its real home, you should probably start clutching your wallet. The real horror stories come from the people who actually click buy. Think about the frustration of opening a package you paid $65 for only to find a bottle that looks nothing like the advertisement. Hundreds of reviews on major trust platforms are reporting a total bait and switch. Some people are receiving a thin, watery liquid that foams up like dish soap. Others are getting bottles labeled with entirely different brand names that you can find for pennies on wholesale sites from overseas. You might see names on the packaging that you have never heard of before. These are generic white-labeled products sold across various global marketplaces. One person realized they paid a massive premium for a bottle that retails for about $7 elsewhere. That is not just a markup, that is a total heist. You are essentially paying $50 or more for a fancy label and a lot of social media hype. The most frustrating part is that the ingredients themselves are actually fantastic. You can go to any local health food store and buy high-quality rosemary and castor oils for a fraction of the cost. You get the same active benefits without the risk of receiving a bottle of soapy mystery fluid. When you buy from these viral pop-up brands, you are not investing in your hair health. You are gambling on a coin flip. The logistics behind these operations often trace back to generic factories where quality control is an afterthought. Avoid the glossy ads and the high-pressure sales tactics. The secret is not in the brand name. The secret is in the simple plant oils that have been around for centuries. Skip the middleman and the shady websites. Your scalp will thank you for being a little more skeptical. It is easy to get swept up in the before and after photos. Those images are designed to bypass your logic. Take a breath and look at the fine print. If the reviews are screaming about shipping delays and soapy textures, listen to them. You can build your own hair care routine with the exact same science for less than the price of a takeout lunch. Stay savvy and do not let a slick video convince you to overpay for basic ingredients.